Okay, Tang Garden. Looking at the last expansion here, we got the Ghost Stories.
Spooky one.
Limited edition on the
Do you see
Kickstarter.
the ghost inside?
Okay, let's see what's this.
Open this.
Open. Backfill. Open.
Ghost stories. Ta-da!
Okay.
Let's see.
You got your components and everything. Adding more scenarios.
More different people in here. The
Okay.
ghost characters.
Okay, so you're adding spirits and like the Ghost Warrior or some other things and characters in here. I think that's pretty cool. Oh, so
spooky,
you have
the
more
demons.
It's not demons. It's only one. It's fox spirits. There's a medium and a soldier.
Soldier.
Okay. And the rest is all in different languages. Okay, so let's see what we here. Got the ghost tree.
I see the kitty cat.
Oh my god, that looks pretty. Like the phoenix and the wall. And look at that. Whoa.
That is beautiful.
Whoa. It's like that
White tiger.
So that shine the phoenix, the dragon. That's the same dragon over here.
Right.
So this looks like a different kind of gameplay or mechanic. I'm not sure yet. So that's nice. And then you have the ghost tree.
Oh, so pretty.
Look at that. Sorry, people. Just enjoying that. Ooh, more tiles, but look at that.
Beautiful elements.
Look.
Those are mirrors. Yeah, are they mirrors?
It's reflective.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. The pavilions with inside. Oh, certain stones inside. Oh, I have to look it up.
Very interesting.
Okay.
All the elements.
So you're gonna add that to it. Oh, this is the special coin. There it is. So if you got the Kickstarter and you're like, where's my coin? It's actually in the Ghost Story. Okay, just letting you know, so don't freak out if you open it. I don't know. They're putting a lot of the... Oh, look, there's the... Okay, so these are the wood tokens in the original, but now it's wood.
Oh.
So now it pops out. That's super nice. That's your upgrade there. Okay, so it's all in here. Here's your miniatures for the new spirit characters. And here's the other wood tokens as it is. Okay.
Yeah, it looks much better.
Yeah, so it's gonna pop out a lot more on the board. And here's your fox spirit there. And the beautiful green. There's your bag if you was looking for the bag too. Okay, oh look at that. Oh, so beautiful. Okay, and then here's another scenario die. So I believe they took away the cards and had this. So you roll that and that's what you're gonna play. And now let's look at these. Okay, the ghost story, adding more characters. Demon.
It's your first character.
Okay. Fox spirit.
Oh.
So that she comes with a coin there, and I guess she influenced the token maybe. I have to look it up.
Medium.
Okay. Is there a reason with the face thing? I see that before.
Oh, that's more like a zombie. Like, you know, they prop up the corpse with those.
So what about the medium? Is it a spirit thing or is it a person? Well, I could have seen it in different things.
I guess this person is possessed by the snake, so he's able to communicate. So it's a medium for the snake spirit. Yeah.
Okay. And then we have the soldier. That's interesting. And then we got the decoration cards, which adds the spectrum tree. It's the ghost tree. And then you got the cat.
Yeah.
Which comes with, I don't know.
Sorry. I'm blocking the
There's
cat.
3 cats. Oh, and there's actually the cat miniature in here. I saw it. There you go. See?
Oh, a cat. A black cat.
To the medium. Warrior. Still different. There's all the black cats. So there's 2 black cats. Okay, that's pretty much it. That's the Tang Garden Golden Stories. Just letting you know, if you're looking for those extra parts, that's where they are in here. Okay. And the wooden toolkits too. Okay, so don't freak out. Okay. Tang Garden and all their expansions. So beautiful. See ya.